coconut cake day. Now I need sugar. Oh! It is soft. Hold it in. I stir it and I put a lot of ingredient and then I stir it and I put it in the oven and then wait and then it come down and then it turns like that.
It turned like that?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Inside of the cake. Oh, it has coconut in it.
And tell us how it tastes.
The coconut tastes good. Hi guys, I was my hand. When I put the one in there, it's so big.
Wash your hands.
I want my hand clean. They have bubbles.
Yeah. Now you wipe your hands.
That clean bubbles. Yeah.
What are you going to make today?
Coconut cake day.
Okay. And what are you going to mix first?
Butter.
Oh, butter? Okay, no problem.
Yeah, that's my butter.
Okay.
And that's the butter. Oh, it feels right there. It's okay.
You need sugar?
I need the fruit. Sugar. Don't do that. Oh! It gets soft.
Is it difficult?
No. Wow, make it slow, not fast.
Okay, you mix it slow.
Yeah.
Mix it all up.
Make this slow.
You mix it slow?
Yeah.
Come on. Good job.
Now, next, it's eggs.
You put eggs? Okay.
Here.
Okay. Stuff out of the egg. You gotta remove that. It's a whole fowl right there. You know.
What are you doing?
We take that out.
Mama, that's so
Now, Zane, ready to put your eggs inside?
yeah, this one in the middle. Or it is soft. Yay! A big boy.
Yeah?
Yeah. Now, next it what that door. Okay. Ooh, lemon dip. Finished. Now time for oil. Whoa! That put the bacon. Oh, it's soft. Oh, it's soft.
Pardon?
It's soft.
It's soft? Okay.
Yeah, when I mixed it, it is soft.
Oh.
When I mixed it, it's soft. When I put oil in it, it's soft.
Oh.
I don't know, it's soft. Whoa. This, Mama, know what that's like?
What's that?
That left is like it there.
Oh, okay.
That's a like it there.
What do you put in now, Zane?
Sauce!
You put salt?
Yeah, now I'm gonna have it, Daddy. Salt is for the popcorn, Daddy.
Salt is for the popcorn?
Yeah, when... Oh! It comes. What? This? No, it can't.
It's disappeared?
Yeah, it went right there, and they're really hard to get it.
Oh, okay.
And see the orange one going down.
Mm-hmm.
Next is
Nutmeg?
yeah, now can mix. Oh, it's black.
Yeah.
I think there was that. Now next is Daddy need to help.
Vanilla extract?
Yeah, Daddy gonna help me soon. Oh.
Okay. You want Daddy to help you?
No. Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Perfect.
Mix.
Mix it?
Yeah, I mix it so fast.
Mm-hmm.
Smells good.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good.
Smells good.
Oh. It smells good. Wow, what's that? It disappeared.
Disappear?
Yeah.
Does it smell good?
Yeah.
What's next? Zane, what are you putting next?
Flour.
Oh.
Oh, Asa! Asa!
You don't sneeze in your food.
I do. I know. But dark. I'm gold on my table.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa! It disappeared. Next. Okay.
What are you putting now?
Coconut. It's soft. Make the coconut. Wow. Nice. Now
Yes.
You use pineapple juice? You did.
No. How does it taste?
yummy. Gonna drink them. Wow, it's done.
Okay.
Oh.
And
Baking powder? That's a lot.
what is that?
That's too much, Daddy. That's too much.
No, that's okay.
That's too much, Daddy.
Okay,
That's a little
perfect.
bit more. Mommy, go eat the bag. It's
Okay.
for our cake.
Okay.
That's for our cake.
Okay.
I'm gonna put the lid on.
Yes, we can.
Oh.
Mix it up.
Ah! Now, the
What are you pulling, Zane?
almond milk.
Just
The almond milk is the drink to build that on the table. I still need help.
You don't need help?
Yeah, that's the help.
Strong. Show me your muscle.
Hmm.
You're very strong for you to mix that. Mommy can't even mix it.
It's so heavy. Take
so.
it.
Let's pour it in. We're gonna pour it into this one.
Let's see. Oh, how is that? How you doing that?
Wow.
Don't that too much.
You're putting raisins in one?
Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Whoa. Hold it in.
Mm-hmm.
It didn't disappear.
Yeah.
Now I can see it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, can I taste coconut? Oh, now it's there. Hi guys, my coconut cake is done.
Let's see.
You see, the other side it has raisin in it, and then there should be matching side coconut.
It has coconut and raisin.
Yeah, when I stir it and I put a lot of ingredient and then I stir it and I put it in the oven and then wait and then it come down and then it turns like that.
It turned like that?
Yeah.
Whoa. You have 2 coconut cake?
Yeah.
One is plain?
Yeah, one in the middle. There's the eat.
What?
They need to cool down first. It's really hot to touch.
It's really hot?
Yeah.
Oh.
When you touch it, you feel hot. You need to cool down. Yes.
Need to cool down, huh?
Yeah, I need to wait so long.
Okay.
But it's real funny. On that burger, it's really not good. That it's really hard to eat.
Ready to cut your cake?
Yeah, let's see the inside.
You want to see the inside?
Yeah, up. Come, and don't hurt your fingers.
Okay.
Let's see the inside of it. The inside of the cake. Oh, it has coconut in it.
And raisin and cranberry?
Yeah. Did by you.
Look at how beautiful that is. Saying you did a good job.
Yeah, we cut the plain one.
Let's cut the plain one.
I know. Let's see it. And let me show it up here. Oh, it did a. It did a. Mommy did up here. The raisin go out up to sun.
Taste it, Baba.
Okay. Where's
And tell us how it tastes.
The coconut tastes good.
Mmm.
Thank you, Daddy.
Oh my God. I love you.
So much good. Oh!
So, there you have it. Coconut cake, Liam's hut.